Thank you for watching this video. I will explain our new product. The name of the product is called NOVRIVIVE. Make sure you watch the videos repeatedly to learn. Counseling, first person. Male. Recently dyed hair. Naturally curly hair, especially the hair at the nape of the neck, is very curly. First, wash your hair with an acidic shampoo. If your hair is particularly damaged, wash it for longer. Prepare the cup by pouring NOVRIVIVE into it. This model has short hair, so 20 g is enough. If you have long hair, mix it with our other products to create a foam that makes it easier to apply and adhere to your hair. The name of the product is T-Star Liquid. Towel dry thoroughly. When your hands are dry, it's done. Apply using a cup and brush. Apply just like you would any hair color. There is no problem if the liquid gets on your scalp, but it is highly acidic and may cause irritation. If there is any wound, you may feel irritation. In that case, adding water will solve the problem. Wear gloves when applying. I don't have gloves on in the video, but it's a good idea to wear gloves. Apply heat. In the video we use a cap, but you can use any method you like. The important thing is that the heat is applied evenly. Check once after about 20 minutes. Use a comb to see if it has softened. If you feel the reaction is weak, you can add more treatments or add more time. Since it is not a drug, there is no problem with applying too much. Rinse with an acidic shampoo and acidic treatment. This is the preparation stage for hair cells to be arranged, so be careful not to brush roughly. Use a comb to arrange the hair, and run your hands through it vertically. It feels like it's already arranged before blow drying and ironing. Blow dry 100%. Hand blow drying is sufficient, but if the hair is very curly, blow dry with tension. Use a hair iron. Set the temperature of the hair iron to 180 degrees. If the steam is not coming out easily, set it to 200 degrees. Use the twin brush to apply firm tension and remove the moisture from the hair. When removing the moisture from the hair, it will cross-link, so do this carefully. This is finished. What's amazing is that this result was achieved with just one product. The frizz is gone and the hair has a very soft texture. Now, if it continued like this, you might think that this was the result of the hair iron. Let's wash it once to gain some credibility. You can see that the texture and shine are maintained. The results will last if you use an acid shampoo and an acid treatment. Counseling, second person. Female. I recently bleached and colored my hair. When I touch it, I feel that my hair is hard and curly. The first half explains the steps, so in the second half I'll just introduce the key techniques. I'll try using NOVRIVIVE with about 25% of the T-Star liquid introduced in the first half added. I've added 10 g of Tostia to 40 g of NOVRIVIVE. Divide the block into smaller blocks and try which method is easiest for you. Unlike hair coloring, you don't need to worry about time. Make sure to apply the cream evenly. A video of the process will be shown for a while. As I applied the cream, I began to feel the stiff, curly hair less. The workers were also surprised. I'm looking forward to seeing the results. I happen to have a hair steamer, so I used that. It is recommended as it helps the treatment to penetrate deeper. It has become quite soft. However, unlike the softness of the perm solution, her hair feels solid. This time I'll try alkaline. Mix 20 milliliters of water with 5 milliliters of hair oil and 5 milliliters of alkaline and apply to entire hair. When alkaline is mixed with water, gas is produced. When this gas is produced, it dissolves the oils in your hair in treatment, allowing them to blend in with your hair. Be careful not to apply too much alkaline as it can drain too much of your hair's oils. If used properly, the effectiveness of the treatment will be enhanced. It's very easy to blow dry. It dries quickly. This model's hair is quite curly, so I used a brush to blow dry it just to be sure. When you blow dry your hair, you will see that it is beautiful. This means that the treatment ingredients have been absorbed and stabilized in your hair. Results will vary depending on how you use the comb and how you blow dry your hair. How long this beauty lasts will depend on what you do at the end with the hair iron. Pay attention to the movement and speed of the hair iron. The key is to get enough steam. Apply pressure to the brush, but never to the hair iron. The purpose of the hair iron is to add heat, not to burn your hair. Can you see that her hair has gotten better? Let's wash her hair once to see the results. Let's wash her hair once to see how long it lasts. It looks great. There are no difficult techniques, but I think you can see that careful work can improve the results. Thank you for watching the video until the end.